Hi, this is Samir. How are you? So, welcome to my class, and the class of like how you can like create your own email marketing software. So, which help you to create your own email marketing software, so you don't need to have to purchase someone or depend upon the someone. Okay. So in this class, we will work on we will create digital ocean account, create VPS and everything. Okay. And by the way, this is for everyone. Okay. Whether you are a professional or not, or you are just like a beginner, this class is for you. So it is all level of the people. And after this class, you are able to create your own email marketing software, Mailwizz. Okay, so you just have to put your own SMTP on it and start sending your email, like GoDaddy or Amazon, which are providing these services. Okay, which is like really costly. So I come with this method, so you can make your own marketing software and start your like career in the email marketing. So let's move to our first video and see you there. Bye.
Hi, welcome back to our new video. So in this video, we are going to install our Mailwizz on the first step. So you just have to download the one software named Putty. So if you search on the Google, here the first link, download Putty, and go with the download Putty here. Okay, and just have to go with the like 64 version or 32 version, like you can like download from here, depends upon you. Okay, so I have already downloaded, so I just not going to download it, and let me search here the Putty. Great, it's like open here. And now what I am going to do is I'm going to copy that IP address here and paste here and open. Okay, so if the pop-up will come, you have to click on the yes, and then this will be like a pop-up will be shown. Okay, so login as the username is like root already. Okay, and the default name is root, and the password which I told you, you have to remember when you are creating that like VPS. So you have to enter that password. Okay, I'm entering that password, but as you see, there is nothing written. Okay, don't worry, it is written here. This is the policy of that. So just enter the password and click enter here. So it will be verify your password with that root. Okay, we have successfully logged in. So now we are going to install the scripts in that. Okay, so we have to copy the script. I have like written. Okay, so I will like give you in my description or something like that. Okay, fine. You just have to like copy from here and click right click here. Okay, and just press enter. Okay, it will be installed. Great. Okay, so now again we are going to install the another script here and click enter. Okay, great. It will ask for the continue or not, so we go with the continue. Okay, why? You don't have to enter the n or something like that. Okay, okay, it asks for the host name and everything. Okay, so you have to enter anything. I'm going about the xyz.com, no problem here. Okay, so the process of installation has been started here. So it will take like 10 to 15 minutes of depending upon your internet connection, depending upon your PC. Okay, so we will like go through from this step from the next video. Okay, so we will wait for the I will wait for that. Okay, see you in the next video. Have a good day. Bye. Hi, welcome back to our video. Okay, so in this video we are going to create the digital ocean account and let you know how you can create your digital ocean account and get like hundreds of $100 for like next 60 days. Okay, so you see, you can, if you go with the like sign up, you will not see the $100 or you will not get the commission. So you just have to enter here like 100 credits. Okay, so look at that. So you go with that link and sign up with your like what is it, with your email address or with your Google account. Once you sign up, you will receive like that. Okay, so my credit will be expire in the 56 days and my credit is $100. Okay, so when you like come here, you will now we are going to create the VPS. Okay, so for making the VPS, we are going to select the machine, which is like we can just go for the create here and create, go to droplet. Okay, great. So we have different like OS operating systems here. So we will go with the Ubuntu 18.04, which is really good, and we will go for the machine is like a $12 machine. It's enough for us with 2 GB data and everything. For the like Mailwizz, it's okay. If you go with others, it's depend upon the you, but I go with the $12. And let me check it with which region I have to go with this. And okay, you have to enter the password. You must remember the password here. Okay, so you are, after entering your password, and here I give it the name Mailwizz. Okay, and let me create the droplet. Okay, so I will wait a second and let's see. Like okay, so by utilizing our time, we'll go for the IP check. Okay, so IP address checker here. Okay. And we will go with the no IP spam checker. What? Okay, next toolbox is the code for that. Okay, so great. Here we have been assigned the IP there, and we have entered our IP here. We have to check that our IP is blacklisted or not. Okay, like if our IP is more blacklisted, then when we send the email from our Mailwizz, it will like receive in the spam, and we have no way to like reach it into the inbox. So we will check for the blacklist, because DigitalOcean sometimes provide the blacklisted IP. So because you are using the trail version, of course, that's why no software or no website is giving you the 100% good result. Okay, so we go with that. Okay, these are the two. Okay, but it's like no worry, it's no worry, basically it's no worry. Our IP is good if it is 2. Okay, so let me check other things. If you receive this type of like errors, then it's okay, you can use the IP. But like the spam or anything, or a spam or something like that, so you don't have to use that IP. Okay, so we're going to create the like Mailwizz in the next video. Okay, so see you in the next video. Hi, welcome back to our new video. So as you see, our like the process which we started in the last video has been finished right now. Okay, so you have to like copy this address here. Okay, or you just have to copy your like your IP address, paste here and enter 10,000. Okay, and enter, press enter. Okay, So this screen will be like pop up. So we have like not secure IP right now. It's not HTTPS. So we have HTTP, but the so the Chrome detected it and make it like it's not a private connection or something like that. Okay, but it's fine. You just have to go for the advanced and proceed to the IP. It's fine. It's safe. Just like the Chrome. What I say is the Chrome security. Okay, so you just have to go for the continue and we will log into the web main. The scripts we have been installed here, like has been completely installed, and we have now go for the web main. Okay, so we have to enter the password here root, which already we entered, which is the default like a username, and we have to enter the password the like which I told you when you are making the making the VPS, okay, and which you put in the putty, and you have to enter the password and click on the remember me and let's sign in. Okay, we have to do some settings here in this section. Okay, so oh, wait. Okay, once it like downloaded like when it's open, you just have to click cancel and next. So it asks for the some permission, so you just have to select the yes here and the yes here. Okay, and again click on the next here. For that you must have a good internet connection. Okay, okay, so like the virus, if we go with the virus or something like that, so let's go with the no, like we don't need to be filtered, or because if we go with the yes, so it use the like 2 GB of our RAM and we don't need that. Okay, so if you want to like scan your emails with the virus scanning and something like that, you go with the yes. If you are like going for development for the some businesses or something like that, you must go for the yes, and for that you have to like get a good machine, not just a $12 machine. Okay, so I go with the no, and so my emails will be not filtered. It's fine because I am very curious about my RAM, so I don't give RAM to that software or something like that. Okay, okay, so the next step we go with the database. Okay, we click on the yes, which is already selected here, and for that it's no. Okay, which already has been done. Okay, so here it has set the MSQL password. We don't really need that. It's fine. Just go for the next here. The my it will ask for the configuration size and like what you need a huge database. If you have like a large business or something like that, you go with the huge database. But I have no like large business or something like that, or I'm not working for the client which has too much business, so I'm not going for like the huge or something like that, because I'm not going to use up to the 2 GB, because what I says my VPS is, I think so it's 2 GB droplet. Look at that, 2 GB memory. So I'm not going to give them. I'm going for the medium. It's fun for me. It's okay for me. So okay, we go. Okay, it asks for the primary name server, like a domain name. Okay, because but our, like, we have entered the xyz.com, which is not our domain or something like that. If you have your domain, then you have to enter here. If you don't have the domain, it's fine. Okay, you just go with any of them, like your any of the domain here, and like go for the next after clicking here skip or skip. Okay, if you have the domain, I prefer not to enter your domain here. Okay, just go with the step which I am going to tell you. Okay, so at last I will tell you that how you can set up that IP on your domain. Okay, so go for the next. Great. And so we don't need for going to the the next features or something like that. Okay, so we go for like return to virtual main, and we're now going to recheck and refresh our configuration what we did. Okay, so clicking on that, it will take some time, like few seconds or few minutes for checking it. Okay, the the changes we have made, it's like configuration of that. Okay, okay, all done, great. Okay, so we are just going to the return to the virtual server list right now. Okay, that's all for this video. I will going to continue the new step from that video. Okay, from here in the next video. So see you in the next video. Have a good day. Bye. Welcome back to video. So in this step we are going to create our virtual server from here. Okay, so just clicking on the create here. We're just now going to create our server on which Mailwizz will be installed. So it asks for the domain name. You have to enter anything here, don't worry. Okay, and the administration of the password. Okay, if you want, you can enter that password which you have been making the VPS, but I'm not going to enter that password. I'm going for the other password here. Okay, so it's okay, and if you want to generate a key, you can enter from here. Okay, and then we go for the advanced option. Everything is okay. Everything is okay. So you don't have to use the if you are entering your website domain, then you have to set up the Apache SSL website. Okay, if you are not going to do that, okay, so you don't have to do that. So create a server here. It's creating our server here. Okay, great. We have installed our create our server here. Okay, so in that's all for this video, and in next video we are going to create our user for that server. Okay, so see you in the next video. Have a good day. Bye. Welcome back to our new video. Now what in this video we are going to the going for the database. Okay, first of all, uh, I told you in the previous video we are going to going to make the user, but for making the user you first have to edit your database. Okay, so just go for there like here. Okay, we are going to create now our new database in which we will enter our the Mailwizz details, like our email addresses or client email addresses or any details. Okay, where it will be stored into our this database. Okay, so we are just going to create a new database for that. Okay, So the database name which I will enter is the Mailwizz, and I will go for the MySQL, which is the default. Okay, so enter here. Okay, we have been successfully created the database. So in next video we'll go what for the user. Okay, so see you in the next video. Hi, very warm welcome to our new video. So in this video what we are going to do is we are going to create our user. Okay, so click on here, edit user. So we are going to add a new user, like which is interacting to our the newly created database. Okay, for that we have to enter for the Sam here. You can enter your name here. Okay, click on here and enter our password, any of your password you can here. And then what we are going to do is like click on the other user permission, and this dialog will be open. Okay, so as you see we have the like it's showing us the database which we have created recently. Okay, I like registered the name, it was the Mailwizz here. So click on the, I'm just going to click on the Mailwizz to grant access to our this user to our this database. Okay, so and let me check all other things, everything is okay. It looks like everything is okay. So we're going to create our database here. And it will take some time while loading. Okay, great, we have just created our database like user. Okay, so this user now interact with our this database, the Mailwizz which I create. Okay, now everything is going to perfect. In next video we will load the Mailwizz script, the main script which is like worth of, if I told you Mailwizz script price. Okay, if we go with the Mailwizz here and okay, okay, $79. Okay, and the regular license, if you go for the extendable license, it's 275, but I will give you in the free because you are my students. Okay, so see you in the next video. Have a good day. Bye. Hi, very warm welcome to our new video here. As I finished the last video with the prize and the surprise for you, that I'm giving you this $275 like script in free, completely free, because you are my students. Okay, so for that we are just going for the like the uploading of that script. Okay, so you have just download the like script which in the description box, or the like the session and the section in which I have been already provided. Okay, so just come to again that, and in the file manager. Okay, and click on the like current upload to the current directory, and click here, go for the place where the Mailwizz, the script you have been downloaded. Okay, so when you extract your script it will be look like that. Okay, so click on the latest and just open it and upload it. Okay, we have to wait some time. Okay, it's like 103 MB of script of uploading it. Okay, so let me pause the video and let you know, okay, once it's done. Okay, so now it's uploaded here, and we are going to click here, and we're just going to extract it. Okay, so just going for the right click here and click on extract here. mm, yes, override it, it's fine for me. So it's unpacking, you have to wait. So okay, great. And now it's like extracted successfully. So we double click on here on the latest. Great. Okay, it's all here. The script is extracted and uploaded. We just have to click here, select all, and edit here, click cut. Okay, and go here to the public HTML. Okay, and we just here click edit and paste here. Great. We have successfully done all the process here. So now again we just go here and like uh, copy our like IP address here and make install slash and install. Okay, on that IP, look at that, Mailwizz installer is here. So we are going to like add some new setting here in our next video. Okay, so see you in our next video. Hi, very well, welcome to a new video. Okay, so starting from the installing of the Mailwizz, which are we are going to now going to like add these 5 to 6 steps, and boom, our Mailwizz will be installed. Okay, so just adding here like for the first step, we just go with the I agree, and you don't have to enter your purchase code, it's fine. Okay, just click on the next here. Okay, once you press on the next, look at that. Unfortunately, your server configuration cannot satisfy. So don't worry, we have solution for this also. Okay, we make it pass and pass like that. Okay, so again, you just have to enter your putty, open your putty. Okay, once your putty has been opened, just go again and into your IP, same you did in the like the first video. Okay, and root and the password of that VPS, which I told you in the first video, like you have to save it. Okay, so enter your password here and wait a few seconds. Boom, we are logging here. Okay, so these are the different scripts here which I will like give you in the description box. Okay, so just copy that script, right click on that and click enter. Okay, now press Y. Yes, we want to continue. Okay, great, it has been installed. So we are going to add a new script, the second one, and after clicking on the right click and okay, Y here. Yes, the script is installing. Great, it has been installed, but we have to now restart our like the server, the VPS. Okay, restart that IP. For that, we have to enter that script. Okay, so and click into here. Great, restarting our Apache and everything. Okay, so and when we're going to refresh it now, look at that, our error has been solved, it's passed, everything is passed. Boom. Okay, click on the next. Okay, Okay, everything is passed, everything is okay. Click on the next. Okay, we are going to add the database credentials here. Okay, so we will enter that credential in the next video. Okay, so that's all for it. See you in the next video. Bye. Hi again, welcome back to our new video. So in this video, we will enter our like database credential here and making of our admin account. These two steps we are going to cover. Okay, we have local host, so we are just going for the like we don't have to change that. Okay, we don't have to enter any port here, and but we have to enter our username. So from where we get that username, so we just go for our webmin again here, edit our user here, click on the edit user, and here we make our user. Okay, just copy here and paste here. Okay, all good. Okay, and the password of the like the that account which you have entered. Okay, so I have entered I think that password and it's great, and the name of the database. Oh, obviously we go with the edit database, and we have been created that new database. Okay, okay, click here and remove the table prefix here and start importing. Okay, it is now importing the like the matching our credential with our database. Okay, everything is good. All okay. Now we are going to enter our make our admin account for the Mailwizz, because Mailwizz has two sections, one for the admin and other for the users. That's good. So I enter and here enter any of the dummy email which you want. Don't worry about that. Okay, I go over the sam@sam.com, which is very dummy email. I go with the password 123456. Okay, and that's it. And according from, you can set any of that. Okay, yes. Okay, it asks for like you also create the first customer with the same data, like you also want the what I say is you also want the customer account on the same email. Obviously I want it. Okay, so I'm going to create the account. Okay, KK here. That's it. We have set and we have just one step now remaining. Okay, just one step, and we will be log into our Mailwizz. Okay, so we will complete that step in our next video. Okay, so see you in the next video. Bye. Hi again, very warm welcome to our new video, which is the our last video for creating of the Mailwizz like installation. Okay, so what we are going to do is, first of all, we have to load the script. Okay, we have to load that installation script in our like this section. Okay, so go for the webmin here, click here, and enter a Chrome. Okay, okay, by the way, look at that. Okay, it will tell us like real-time memory which we are using and everything. Okay, of our VPS server, Ubuntu 18.04 which we get. Okay, and everything is here. Okay, so you can like have a full access of your webmin. Okay, by the way, come to the topic. Okay, search your cron and go with the schedule cron jobs. And okay, great, it has been like opened, and we are going to create a new schedule cron. Okay, we execute a cron job. As what we do is we will enter a name root here. Okay, active yes, is the campaign send or run each time? Basically it's a setting of the campaign. Okay, so we just copy here and paste here. Once we have been paste, okay, what we now go is, okay, once it has been done here, what we will do is select all here, and we go with the time and date below. Okay, and select all, select all, select all. Okay, everything is okay. Okay, now we have to wait. It will be like, it will take some time. Okay, it's fine, you have to wait. Let me pause the video a second. Okay, so you can't waste your time on the pause. Okay. Okay, so it's like uploaded. Now again we go for the create a new here, and go for the 2 minutes. Okay, so for the 2 minutes we have to enter root here again, and we will copy that command here and paste here. Again we go for that, and now we will give them difference of the two here. Okay, so for that, like we will press the control and select the 2 minute difference here. Okay, like that, everything. Sorry. Oops. And that's it, everything is now set up, and we just for the create here. Okay, so we wait here. Okay, once it's done, again go for the create cron. Now we go for the like 10 minutes here. Of the 10 minutes, copy the script here. Wait a second. Okay, great. Enter root. Again that script. Only selected. Now what we're going to do is we are going to make a 10-minute difference. Okay, 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50, and click on the create. Okay, and wait. Okay, again it's, we go for the create here, and we now we go for the 20-minute difference. Okay, so again we enter the root here, enter that, and select that, select 0 and 20 and 40. Okay, create here again. Okay, okay, again we have to now, like we have only 3 remaining here. Okay, just we now go for the 3 minute of difference. Okay, you must have to like enter the correct details here. Okay, if you don't enter the correct details here, then you might be facing the problem when you run your campaign of the timing problem. Okay, so it will not run on the specific time. So go for the, okay, 3, 6, 9, 12, 24, 48, 15, 27, 39, 51, and 18, 30, 42, 54. And that's great. Okay, we just click here, and now what we are going to do is, like, because we are going for the hourly. Okay, so what we will do is write, copy it, it's an hourly script, create here, and we go for the root here, and click on here, and click on selected here, and then again here. Okay, and all is good. Okay, we have to turn on the create. Okay, great. Now the last one is a day. Okay, so we have to create a cron here. Again, root here, click here, select it, and hourly also has been selected. Okay, days must be all, and we have entered here not hourly, day at midnight. Okay, everything is good right now, and create here and wait while it has been like installing. And now everything is good. Cron job are installed continuously. Great. Now right click on the backend and log in. So and boom, our Mailwizz has been successfully installed. By the way, feel free to ask the question in the comment box, okay? Or the question and answer section, okay? If you want, okay? So you have to enter your admin credential here. I have entered these details. Let me log in here. Great, we have been logged in. So I will in next video I will tell you how you can create account and everything. Okay, so see you in the next video. Bye. Hi again, welcome to our next video. I will tell you like how you like make your customer accounts and everything here. Okay, so we go for the, if you first of all we go for the user here. If you want to create more admins, okay, you can create from here. Okay, if you want to make customer, okay, let me like make a customer account here, create here, click on the create, and I go for the cus at cus.com. Oh, sorry, it's first name stst, okay, and do, and I will enter his password here and date of birth, any of one active. Okay, you can select the language, sorry, group if you want the many customers, so you can like add the group here. Okay, and if you want to send them the email of this like information, you can send it yes. Okay, if you want to inactive that customer at the specific date, like, and if you are giving the services or something like that, you can do from here. And if you like go for the like pictures, you can, and from here I'm not going to add everything, so click on the save and be saved. Okay, great. Never. So okay, first of all go for the setting. Let me do some settings. Okay, import and export setting. Okay, like when you are going to upload or import your, what I say is the list of the customer emails. Okay, so I'm going for the 1000 per once import. I will go for zero pause. Okay, and I can, people can upload like up to 100 megabyte file. Okay, so it will be the fast loading, and click here. Great, and then go for the email template. Okay, You can edit your like template here. If you have a company or something like that, you can enter your logo here and everything. Okay, you can, and here's the content which like you can send it or everything. Okay, and the other templates are here also. Okay, here is everything like your order detail template and everything. You can like look at out. Okay, I'm going for the campaign here. Okay, attachment, you can add up to attachment here. Okay, so go for the yes. Okay, and tags, the main thing is tags. Okay, you must have to enter the like reaching into the spam, so you must have to like enter your the company address here. But because I'm not going for the other things, like I'm not going to send the emails to the people with this Mailwizz and everything. Okay, so I don't need it, so I'm not going to like no. And there is you can like select anything here. Okay, if you want to if you want like people can provide this information in the every email, so you can make it required or everything. Okay, so unsubscribe list is here, URL is here, so it must be required. It's okay, so click on the save here. Great, it's loaded. Okay, okay, email blacklist, let us check everything here. We will wait a second. Okay, you can check like new features by yourself. Okay, it's not and like everything. Okay, so in next video we will talk about the how you can load the servers and send email. Okay, so see you in the next video. Bye. Hi, welcome back to our last video of Mailwizz. Okay. And this video, I will tell you about like how you can upload or create your new delivery servers or SMTP servers. Okay, so you just have to click on the server, delivery server, create a new server. Okay, yeah, let me refresh it. Create a new server. Great. Okay, if you are using some of these like SMTP server, you can go with them, but I'm going with the SMTP. Okay. So this is the server one. Okay. And let me enter my host name. Okay, of the mail providers. Okay, so I'm, by the way, I'm adding Namecheap mail server. Okay, so it has its host name is this. Okay, let me add my email address here. Okay, so my email address is which I am adding dummy. Okay, so copy or email me on that address. Okay, and you have to enter the from email also there, that one. Okay, and the port is 587 or 2025. Okay, so you have to select TLS, SSL, and star TLS. It's depend on the like what I say is the providers. Okay, so my provider is providing me TLS and also starlets. Okay, so I go with the Tolerance. Okay, if you want to see the like SMTP information of like name chip, you can enter here SMTP info of name chip. Okay, so you can get the like information from here. Okay, look at that. If you go with the like, look at that TLC. Okay, here. Okay, 25 port for TLC. Look at that. Okay, 465 for SSL. Okay, so you can get the information from here also. And let me enter password here. Wait, timeout is 30 seconds. Basically it's like the connectivity time. Okay, so my hourly limit is nearly 400 emails, and daily limit is 0. It's mean like if you go with that, set it 0 in order to not imply any of the limit. Okay, probability 100%, and let me go with the like 5 second or 10 second. Okay, so we have to enter like 10, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, and 10 second. Okay, if you want to add your bound server, basically bound server is the server which will receive the emails on that server. Okay, for example, the email don't exist or something like that, so when it will be bounce, okay, so it will be come to that server, but I'm not going to add that server. Okay, if you want to add, you can just go here and create a new server here, where you can just add the information here. Okay, also it is provided by here. Okay, so you can add it. Okay, and okay, a force prompt, it's mean like you always I mean send from that email address. Okay, and that's okay. If you want to enter the reply email, you can enter it, but like I prefer not to enter here. Enter in the campaign. When you make the campaign, okay, then enter it. Okay, okay, and the other thing is I'm going for the assigning the first customer to this the server. Okay, so I'm entering his name and blocked. Yes, only you like the server is only used for that customer, not for the other people's. Okay, if you want to like give that server to all of them, so keep it black. Okay, click on the save. Okay, let me enter an email address here. So for the verification purpose, I will go for the text mail here. Okay, so like mail send me the link from that server. Okay, wait a second. Okay, great, I have it. Okay, validate. Great. Okay, it has been sent. Please confirm your mailbox from the server. Great. Look at that, here we receive it. And when we click on here, or just copy the link and paste in the table, and look at that, it's active. Okay, now I'm going to tell you how you can like make the campaign and everything. Okay, come to the customer section, customer here, and I will assign to this one. Just like right click here, login. So look at that, it's a customer dashboard. Okay, look at that. Okay, and I already uploaded the list. You can upload the list from here. I come to the list, and you go for the create a new list. Okay, you have to enter the details of the list, the name, country, and everything. Okay, save the list. Once you save the list, after that you can add from here like import. You can add as CSV file, text file, or the SQL live import, which you want. Okay, so once it reloaded, come to the campaign here. Okay, and create a new campaign. You can enter your detailed text, choose the list which you want, okay, and click on the next. Okay, enter your name, like from email address, reply email address, and the subject, okay, and keep it, do not like change this thing, okay. And after that, if you want to add like mm, okay, it's if you want to add like people who open the your old email, or like look at that, the people who open your email or not on email, you can like use these of the features, okay. Okay, you can like if you want source code, if you want to paste the source code in the content of your like body, you can add here, or you can just upload your template from here also, or you can write the text here, depend upon to you, okay. Okay, if you click on the next, okay, it will show you the error, because we have to fix that. Look at that, where we go with the link which has been like required. Yes, okay, basically we don't need this type of link because it's no, so we need only one link of the like unsubscribe. Look at that, unsubscribe URL, we just have to copy here and paste here, okay. Sorry. Okay, copy here and paste here, okay. Just click on the next and send the campaign, so it will be automatically sent, or you can send that like assign the time, okay. So it will be sent, okay. You can like see the stats from here, like in here in this section you will see the status of your campaign and everything, okay. So I hope you enjoy this course, and you are now have no problem in making your own Mailwizz and sending email to the people. So see you in the next course. Have a good day. Bye.